In this video, we'll show you how to organize your references in EndNote Online by creating groups, removing duplicate references, and adding file attachments. The Groups feature in EndNote Online allows you to organize your references by topic, by assignment title, or using any other criteria. If you don't specify a group to save references to, they will be saved in the On-File folder. To create a group, select the Organize tab, then Manage My Groups. Select New Group. Give the new group a suitable name and click OK. To add references to the group, select My References. Select the references you wish to add to the group. At the top of the list of references, you'll see a drop-down menu listing all of your groups. Select a group and the references will be added to the chosen group. You can share specific groups of references with other EndNote Online users. To share a group of references, select the Organize tab, then Manage My Groups. Select the group you want to share and click the Manage Sharing button. Select Start Sharing this group. Add the email addresses of other people who are registered with EndNote Online. Select whether you want to just allow them to view the content of the group or to make changes to the content of the group. Apply the changes. They will be notified that they have been given access to your group. If you wish to see reference groups that have been shared with you, select Organize Others Groups. If you have been searching several databases, you may have saved the same reference to EndNote Online more than once. To remove duplicate references from your EndNote Online account, in the Organize tab, select Find Duplicates. EndNote Online will list all duplicate references with each of the duplicate records selected. Click the Delete button to remove the selected duplicates. In EndNote Online, you can add an attachment such as a PDF, Word document, or text file to a specific reference. To add a file to a reference, go to My References, click the paperclip icon below a reference, click Attach Files. Use the Upload File Attachments box to browse for a saved document. Locate and select the file and select Upload. Upload Complete message will appear. Click Close. The file is now attached. You will know this by the paperclip icon, which changes to blue. In Organize Manage Attachments, you can delete your attachments, sort them by different criteria, and view your used storage space. If you have any questions about using EndNote Online at UL, contact us here in the library.